Imagine a creature so powerful, so untamable, that it stands as the ultimate symbol of chaos. This is the Leviathan, a beast from the Bible that embodies the forces of disorder and rebellion against divine order. Described vividly in the book of Job, the Leviathan's invincible armor and fearsome teeth make it a terror beyond human control. Yet, in Psalm 74, we see that God himself crushes this chaotic force, asserting his sovereignty. The Leviathan, often seen as a metaphor for Satan or demonic powers, represents the spiritual battles believers face. But the Bible assures us of God's ultimate victory over these forces. Modern interpretations see the Leviathan in the chaos of today's world: corruption, greed, and moral decay. However, just as in ancient times, God's authority will prevail. The Leviathan's defeat is a powerful reminder that no matter how overwhelming chaos may seem, it is not beyond God's reach.